Chiefimocomedylatest photographer, ebelebe. In name na prophetic photo, ebelebe. Mekona radio na go hear jinji. Everybody buckle.
Hello? Ross, where that back there where I can hear?
Sometimes I
Inside here.
Ebelebe. Osijagi.
You must be the photographer from IG, right?
Mami.
Okay. So I'm a plus size model. I want some professional pictures. I have an endorsement deal I want to use the pictures for.
Continue.
If I have it, I'll be the most classy girl in town. You know what I'm talking about, right? So I'm going to get into the water. When I'm diving, I want you to capture that moment. It's very special for me. Please, I'm begging you, do not spoil it.
With which camera?
What do you mean with which camera?
I use my own camera to capture you when you are dying. Jesus! You not tell me say you want die.
I didn't say dying. I said diving.
Chai,
You mean diving?
She what?
I go capture you
there is God. Oh.
with this camera.
Yes.
Prophetic camera.
Okay.
Come get just I should snap only top, I should snap only go to it down.
You have to snap me from my face, my arms, my leg, everything.
Wait. You mean I go snap
Okay.
you from hell? Go to your bump and wait outside. I go snap everything join for this camera.
Yes, you will.
She what?
Please make no mistakes about it.
I go snap up, okay, I don't go really.
Were you not paid for the job?
Madam, I paid for the job, I paid for the job. What job I paid, not be the nakedness. This photo camera not the capture nakedness.
I'm a model for crying out loud. What do you mean nakedness?
A mother should be a mother.
I didn't say model, I said model. I don't have time to waste. Sir, please, do not spoil this shoot for me.
Chai,
What are you doing? Stop. Are you ready? Sir, are you ready? Once I say action, snap the picture, okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3, action!
She what?
Who say make you jump?
What do you mean? I will say make I jump?
Why you go jump? Now you dey snap the photo. Why you go shout action? Tell me what you was.
Oga, let me see the one you've taken already. Let me
Which
see.
one is taken? Battery still there back. I never put the battery. I never put the phone. I never set the camera. I never put you photo away. Give my Bruni memory.
You say?
You say?
You get mad?
Sorry.
You get mad? The people that say they don't tell you about me, Abi. You get crazy. Oga, you be madman. Do not snap my picture, Abi.
Why was
Do you know how much I'm about to lose? Do you know how much I'm about to lose? Mr. Man, you will provide this picture or you give me my money. I am not all of those. What are those students get? You think I dey play with you, Abi? You think I dey play with you, Abi? You don't know me because I follow you speak English. 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 You are a very mad man. Mr. Man, come on, give me my money. Bring my money.
Hey!
Bring my money or you provide my picture. I will arrest you, no. I will arrest you, no. You never on camera. What's your work? You claim you're a professional. Rubbish man. See your neck. Let me like what I go do. Bring the whole Bible here. You know say you tell you must bring the whole Bible here. Let me go.
A whole prophetic lesson, every people. Yes, sir. Then you. they need to walk away. Where she's not empty. When you get up, now that, now I can't wait. Stupid boy.